Since our transmission selection control is of the type integer 8, and I connected it to the multiplication node, and then created this constant by right-clicking on this here connection point and selecting create constant, the constant is automatically created in the same type as the first factor of this multiplication. Also, the result of the multiplication will be of the same type, so this is all integer 8 for now. It's quite sufficient for our needs, so we will not change this at the moment. The next step, okay, so we can write actual vehicle speed meters per second, and we can connect it here to this multiplication node. Okay, so this is a very useful tool to have a label that is now connected to a node, and if you move the node around, the arrow that points to the node moves around with it, so you don't need to move the label around. This is very useful. Okay, so the next thing to do is to recalculate the speed to kilometers per hour so that we can display them through our gauge. Since this is in meters per second and we need to go to kilometers per hour, that would be to multiply this value by 3.6. Since there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, that's a total of 60 times 60 seconds in 1 hour. That's 3,600. And there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, so we need to divide the number of meters with the number of kilometers and to multiply the number of seconds with 3,600 to get to 1 hour. So when you do the math, it comes out to multiplying this value by 3.6. So from the numeric palette, we again choose multiply. You could see that I used the right click here to access the numeric palette more quickly. Otherwise, I would go anywhere on the block diagram and then